Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from InstaCrypto, and inside today's video we're looking at some of the important updates that's been happening in the cryptocurrency space in India. To start off with, the addition of new coins is just getting better and better as Indian exchanges are bringing in a lot of new coins into India, and joining the bandwagon is InstaCrypto, another Indian multi-cryptocurrency exchange, and they have very interesting set of coins that they're listing on their exchange. So the next coin that I just saw from the tweet is Dogecoin, which they're introducing into India. Again, Dogecoin is a currency coin which is currently trading at around 50 paise, or it's 45 paise in the Indian space. And the other two coins that I just saw apart from the normal coins are the Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Gold, and Coin. So those are some unique coins that are currently not available on any of the other Indian exchanges. I'm really excited about Ethereum Classic being listed on the InstaCrypto, and I did see that it's live to order as well. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and order it right away, considering that Ethereum Classic is one of the most spoken about cryptos at the moment because of the Callisto airdrop that's going to be happening in the first week of March. I think it's between March 2nd and 4th. I think it's around some block number. I'm going to put the block number here on screen for you. So that's a very good thing, because before, if we had to buy these coins, we might have to look into international exchanges, but now Indian exchanges offering them here in India is very convenient. Takes out a lot of hassle as well. Moving on, even Koinex has tweeted that they're also listing a new coin, which is ZRX, or you can also call it a 0x project, which is basically a protocol that allows ERC20 tokens to be traded on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's the next coin Koinex is listing. So I think it's already been listed right now. You can go ahead and check it on Koinex. And I think the trading will start tomorrow around same time, around 10:30. It's 10:30 p.m. It's 10:30 a.m. at the moment. So it would start tomorrow night. So speaking about ZRX is currently trading at 64.54 rupees, and it's up by 11% today. Maybe because it's listed on Koinex, you never know what might be the reason. So those were some of the important updates in the Indian space for today. So hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and go ahead and share this video. And as always, if you have any questions, any concerns, please go ahead and share them in the comment section below. I'd definitely love to read them and interact with you. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.